Assalamu alaikum dear friends, I am Engineer Saifullah and you are watching Civil Engineer at Site YouTube channel. So friends, today I am going to share more than 50 vacancies for a Neom project from a company. Company name is Consultancy Group. They are working from 1991 and on different projects on different countries. But here they get a project in Neom City. So today I am going to share their vacancies for the Neom project. And what will be the experience required, how you will apply there, for which position they need Neom approval, how you will get the approval, and I will also share their email and address with you to share your documents and experience later on that. But before starting the video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video, share it with your friends. So first I will tell you about the position with number of experience. So guys, these are more than 50 positions. If I will tell you about one by one position, maybe it will take too much time. But about the experience for the position, director position like project director, construction director, experience is 25 year. Project manager, construction manager, QAQC manager, safety manager, experience is 20 year. For senior engineer, mechanical engineer, structural engineer, electrical engineer, for senior engineer, material engineer, senior surveyor, senior cost engineer, experience is 15 year. And for the junior engineer are the people who has 5 year experience. So they can apply for the junior engineer. That is I mentioned junior engineer, but like senior civil engineer and civil engineer like this. So for civil engineer, electrical, mechanical, cost control engineer, safety engineer, QAQC engineer, they need 5 year experience, and for senior level, they need 10 to 15 year of experience. So first I will tell you about the position. So the position are program director, project manager, engineering manager, senior civil material engineer with 5 year civil material engineer 5 year experience, senior engineer 15 year experience, senior infrastructure engineer, senior architect infrastructure engineer, senior structural engineer, senior mechanical engineer, senior electrical engineer, senior geological engineer, and junior geological engineer, senior environmental engineer, senior drainage engineers and drainage engineer, telecom engineer and senior telecom engineer, senior surveyor and surveyor, quantity surveyor, senior project engineer, lead discipline engineer, senior discipline engineer, QAQC manager, QAQC engineer, project control manager, senior planner engineer, project control engineer, estimating and cost manager, senior estimating engineer and estimating engineer, document controller, cost engineer, design manager, senior design manager, designer, draftman, senior secretary. For the draftman they need 2 year experience, for the secretary they need 2 year experience, technical clerk they need 2 year experience, procurement material manager 10 year experience, procurement material engineer 5 year experience, senior construction engineer 15 year, construction engineer 5 year experience, construction manager 10 year experience, contract engineer 5 year experience, contract administrator 5 year experience, material controller 5 year experience, senior HSC engineer 15 year experience, senior safety officer 5 year experience, mechanical inspector, civil inspector, electrical inspector, architectural inspector for every discipline they need only 5 year experience. But the people who has 3 to 4 experience, they can also apply for this position. Material expeditor, construction supervisor, they also need supervisor with 10 year experience, HSC specialist 5 year experience, planner, senior hydrological engineer, senior transportation engineer, skilled draftsman, other discipline director 25 year experience, commercial manager, senior landscape architecture engineer, landscape specialist, mobility and transport design specialist, senior urban engineer, urban planner, BIM specialist, BIM managers, master planner, coastal engineer. So guys, these are the position, more than 50 position. So you can apply for all of these position through their email, but there are some position for which you need Neom approval. So there is nothing in Neom approval, and you have to just apply for this position. This company will review your documents, and if they find that you are suitable and perfect for the job, so they will call you for initial interview. And after that initial interview, they have to submit your documents to Neom. The Neom will conduct your technical interview, and after that you will get approval for the project and you will join the company, inshallah. This was and the Neom approval for QA/QC engineers, safety engineers, and environmental engineers. For this position, you need Neom approval. So there is nothing. You don't have to take approval by yourself. The company will take approval. They will take your initial interview, your experience, salary expectation, and your background. After that, they will submit your CV and documents to Neom, and Neom will take your technical interview. And after that, inshallah, you will get the response from their side and you will join the company if you are perfect and you pass the interview. For the interview, you can check all the interview question and answer videos in the channel. How you will apply for this position? So for this position, you can apply on their email. I will also share their email in the description of the video. Email is recruitment@cg.com.sa. You have to share your all documents and CV on this email, but with the proper way and proper email. How the proper way and how is the proper way and proper email? And the email subject, you have to write the position for which you are going to apply, and the email body, dear sir or dear madam, I hope this email find you well. I have seen your advertisement on LinkedIn that you are hiring for your project in Neom City. So please find attached CV and experience certificates for the position of civil engineer, electrical engineer, mechanical, whatever you are. And you have to give a short intro of your experience and background in that email, but you don't have to write a big email, so no one will review that email. And then you have to send that email in. Working hours and office time. Working hours mean from 8 to 4 o'clock. The best time to send emails from 8 to 10. Mostly I am sending emails from 8 to 12 o'clock before lunchtime, and after the lunchtime like 3 o'clock also okay, but don't send it night time on weekends. And when you are sending your emails, don't send your degree and qualification certificate. Only send your experience certificate if you have, and your CV. And if you have extra certificate like OSHA, NEBOSH, no problem, you can send that one. Because in the start, when you send your degree certificates and they see your graduation date and you don't have the 5-year experience, so maybe you will never get the call. So it's better to only send the CV and experience letters. So when you can get the call and you pass the interview, so then they don't care about your graduation date. So guys, if you have any question about these vacancies, projects, and you want to know more about the company, you can ask in the comment section. The company is a very big company. They are paying high salaries to their employees, but you have to apply and try. Maybe you will get the response from their side. And now the question, who can apply for this job? The people who are inside in Saudi Arabia with transferable iqamah, they can apply for this job. The people who are out of Saudi Arabia, they cannot apply for these jobs. They can try, maybe they pass the interview or they get the call, but so like the possibility will be like 2 to 3%. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video and share it with your friend. Thank you so much guys.